Hello, I'm Richard Sanaji and it's super amazing to have you here. Do you want to create a professional website for your brand or business? Well, if that's you, then you're in luck. Because in this video, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step way on how to achieve this. You will learn how to create a professional website looking just like this, using drag and drop. The amazing thing is that anybody can do this. It's so easy, right? But before going to doing that, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, come on, what are you waiting for? You've got superpower and it's about time to use it. Smash the subscription button so that whenever I make awesome videos like this, you'll be the first to watch and make more informed decisions that will help you and your brand. So now that I've done that, come on, let's go get that website of yours.
Okay, so to create a professional looking website, the first thing that we have to do is to get our domain name. And what is a domain name? Our domain name is the name of our website. For example, when you search youtube.com, it's your domain name. And to do that, we are going to click on the first link in the description section, and it's going to take us to namecheap.com. So Namecheap is the host provider that we are going to be using to get our domain name. So so here we are at namecheap.com. So if you don't have an account, so when you're at namecheap.com, you see sign up here. So you click on sign up. It will request for your email, your username, your password, your first name, and hit create account to create an account, right? So I already have an account with Namecheap, so I'm going to go ahead your dashboard is going to look similar to this. So so here in my dashboard, so what we want to do is that we want to get our domain name, right? So what we'll do is we click here. So here you see here register a domain name, right? So what we want to do, you input in the name of your website, so your domain name, right? The name of your website. So in this case, just like youtube.com, what's the domain name that you want to register? I want to register the urban peeps. So here, so I will click on search to search the availability of the website. So congratulations. So if your website is available, right, you are going to see this green mark here to show that the website is available and you can use it, you can purchase it, right? So no one has taken the name here, so I'm going to use the urbanpeeps.com, right? Then I'm going to add it to cart. So congratulations. So now you get this message here that has been added to cart. So congratulations, we are on our way to purchasing our domain name, right? So our domain name is available. So let's go ahead to get our hosting. So basically, what is web hosting? So web hosting, so your web hosting is basically the system on the web, right, that stores your information, right? So all the things that you're going to be putting, all the content that you're going to be putting, it's what your web hosting is. So we're also supposed to buy that, so that as we have a name, when people get to our website, they are going to see a content, right? So basically that's what hosting does. So we are going to proceed to getting our hosting. So we are going to click our web hosting here. So this was automatically added here, but let me go to our cart and edit this here. So let's view cart. So here is Stella. So I don't want this because I want, let's go, So I want to edit this here. So let's go to hosting. So click on shared hosting. So when you use that, you automatically add the Stellar Plus to your cart. So we don't want that. So I want to use the normal Stellar account here, which is 82 cents per month, right? That's what I want. So I want to order this because what I want to do, I just want to show you how to do this, right? But if you want to do a website that have an estimated number of 1 million traffic per month, then I suggest you go for Stellar Plus or Stellar Business, right? But for the case of this, right, we are going to be building this with this one has 20 gig storage, and you can add 3 subdomains domains with this, right? So and a domain name which we have on our cart here. So this will be good for us. So here I'll click on get started. So it will ask you, do you want to use a new domain or existing domain? So I want to use the existing domain, theurbanpeace.com. I'll click the existing domain, right? So I will click on add to cart. So here, so there's a domain name. So here already in cart, right? So just add that. So this is so here, so we'll add to cart. So we are paying a total of $18.04 as opposed to $34 for Stellar Plus, right? So what we are going to do now is let's proceed to payment, right? So if you have coupon, you can use it here. But if you don't have any coupon, you can go ahead to get, you just proceed, and by using any of the link in the description section, it gives you a whopping discount of over 40% on your first purchase, right? So go ahead and use that. And also, so you don't really need to add this because whenever you host a website, it comes with a free SSL. So your site security for a year, so you don't need to add this, right? So I'm going to click on confirm order. So good. So make sure everything is all right. So here I'm going to change the payment method. This is not the card I want, right? So I want so I'm going to click change to use another card. So this is the card I want. So this is the card I want, so I'll click continue. Then hit. Let's make sure that it's fetted, okay? That's fetted. Then hit pay now. So as it come down here, accept their terms and condition, then click on pay now. So to process your order, let's wait until finish processing our order. We are supposed to receive a congratulatory message if it accepts the card, right? So let's wait. Woo! So congratulations. So this is so we are live now. So we have a domain name now. So if you do this to this point, then congratulations. So your internet is live. So anybody can access, people can access you from the world now. So for example, let's check the urbanpeeps.com and see if we are really live. So you see here we are live. So here this is the default welcome page for Google Host, right? So congratulations, if you've done it to this point, then your website is live. So we are going to be proceeding to the second step, which is installing our WordPress, that is creating our site. So to do that, we go to our email here, we go to our cPanel. So to create our website, we need 3 steps. Step number 1 is to install our WordPress. So let's go, you go to our dashboard, right? So here is the Urban Peeps that we have hosted here. So this is our domain name, the urbanpeeps.com. So here is our hosting details here. So this is our hosting, then our cPanel, then here and then here it's where the DNS settings are. So what we want to do, we want to go to our cPanel. Why? Because we want to install our WordPress, right? So here we click go to cPanel. So this is our cPanel. Yours. So let's wait while it loads, right? Now scroll down to software, then click on WordPress by Toturials. So just click there. So here open our mail, our hosting details here. So this is what we want here. So this is the details for our website. So we are going to copy our username, go to our cPanel and paste it, then go back to cPanel here. So paste our password and hit login. So this is another way to log into your cPanel. So the first method is either you go through your dashboard or you go to your mail, your hosting details, just copy your cPanel and you paste there. So I'm going to save this. So it's not properly loaded, so I'm going to refresh this. So if you're having this issue that your IP address has changed, so what you should do, right, is simply go to use your Tor browser. If you don't know how to download Tor browser on your phone, just go just Google Tor browser and download it. It is TOR, it's TOR then browser. So I have Tor browser here, so it solves that problem all the time. So so let me log in. So I'll simply copy this URL. I'll simply copy this URL here. I'll copy this URL, go to my Tor browser, right, and paste it here. So here we are as a C panel, right? So to install our WordPress, what we simply do is that we go down to softwares. So software. So here, click on software manager by Colors. So here, so WordPress, for those of us that don't know what WordPress is a content management system that allows us to build website easily using drag and drop, as I showed you in the website from the beginning of the video, right? So that's what WordPress does, and that's what we are going to be using to build our professional looking website. So what we are going to do is we are going to come here and click. So here we are going to install a new copy. So very important. So this section, make sure, so this our URL here. So at times it might be HTTP. So HTTP, it's no ID, so it's not secure. So you choose HTTPS. So S there is for secure. So here, and make sure it's not in any directory. It's not in any subdirectory. So here it goes straight. If it's blank, that means it goes to our public.html directory. So here, so this section, this is going to be your site name. So here it shows my blog, so we are going to change here. So the name of the site is the Urban Peeps. Urban Peeps. So here our site description here. So you just put your slug here. So here, amazing delivery, amazing services to go. So here you go there. So here our password, and here is our username. So here I'm going to hide this for security reason and change this. So you go ahead to put yours. So your username, you can put what you want, and your password. So I'm going to change all that now. So here is our password. So here this default email, right? Then here we are going to select these are default themes, right? So we are going to select the theme. Then so we just click on any of these, right, if you want, or you can just go ahead to just install WordPress. So here we click on install. So then my password isn't too strong, so I have to change the password apparently. But so here, let me try another. So I'm going to use auto generate password, then I'll change it subsequently, right? So here, hit install, and let's watch as we install our WordPress. So congratulations, you successfully installed WordPress. So we are going to go and check our website now and see how it looks. So here, so to go to your site, you open a new tab and go to Urban Peeps. The Urban Peeps. Peeps.com/. So to go to your dashboard, you WP admin, then hit enter. Or you simply click here. So this is your website, https theurbanpeeps.com. so here your administrative URL, this way takes you to your dashboard. You just click here, so you can also open that in a new tab. You take out to same place, right? So here you see, so voila, so here is our dashboard. So here, so we can now view our website and you see how it looks. So congratulations, you are live. So you see, so here the name of your website, the Urban Peeps Amazing Services article. So that is the website description. So we are going to customize this to look like the website I showed you earlier from the beginning of the video. And to achieve that is simple. So what we are going to do, the next section of this video is customizing our site to look very, very professional. So here it's what we are going to do. So to customize our site, now we go to our dashboard. Head to appearance, then click on themes. So we are going to add a new theme. To add a new theme, click on add new. So the theme that we are going to be using Astra. So search for ASTRA, Astra, then hit enter. So this is the theme that we are going to be using. So click on install. Click on install. So why Astra? Astra is one of the best themes for WordPress. Why? Because it's fast, it's super fast, and it gives you tons of customizations, as I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you further in the video, right? So here, so click on get started. So let's start with the customization. Click on get started. So why we have a theme, we will need a page builder. So basically a page builder is what enables the drag and drop feature, right? So we are going to be using, in our case, we are going to be using Elementor. So click on Elementor here. So why do we choose Elementor? Because it has an amazing interface, right? And it is super cool. It's super cool. So here tons of templates, that starter templates that we can, you know, we can choose from, right? So let's go with the one. So let's go for this one. So we just select the one that we like here from the starter themes, right? So let's look at this. So here, this sample the home page, contacts, about the home page. So this looks nice. I think I like this one. But whatever it is, right, you choose with. I'm going to teach you how to customize it, so it's not really a problem, right? So let's just go with this. So click on import complete sites. So here you can choose, I'm an expert, but here you can choose beginner, building it for a client or for yourself, building for my company. So here, but then name, you just add your name here. If you don't have a website, this kind of mail yet, you can just use a Gmail. It's going to work, or you can just keep this, right? Okay, so let's just keep this and get to the main thing. So I hope you are enjoying the process, and if you find any part difficult, right, don't forget to leave a comment this comment section, right? I'll be glad to, you know, see you build your first professional looking website. So let's go see our site and see how it looks now. So here, urbanpeeps.com. So this is our site. This is a new thing that we've installed. Let's take a look and see how it is. So wow, it looks really nice. So here, so this is the home page. Here, so let's just go through this site now. So you see that it looked super nice, right? So here, coaching, the view site again. So here we are. So look at how our site is looking, very nice with transparent background, work with me and everything, looking super nice, right? And very minimal. So minimal design is the way right now. This, like, it has become the new trend now, because it converts it converts more, right? So you see, so the page has finished loading. So here, yeah, this very nice section here. So you see, and this testimonial with this cool effect. So you see that our website has, you know, it's coming to life gradually. So that's the home page. Let's look at the about page. So here's the about page. So Lisa here, and she can help you build text, then company that she has worked for here. So I'm going to be showing you how to customize this, right? So basically that is going to be the third step. So step one was getting our going live, which is getting our domain name and hosting. Then step two was installing our WordPress and the theme. And then step three, which is the last, is customizing the WordPress to fit our company profile, right? So that is going to be the next step. So you see, this looks super nice. So I'm going to be walking you through how to customizing this. So if you are at this point, congratulations, you've done really well. And let's go to customizing this. So we have gone through all the pages, right? And you see that everything it's working well, right? So let's go to the contact page. So her office, and this so everything is all right. So next thing, let's start customizing this to fit us, right? So first thing here is Lisa Martins. We are going to remove this logo and put us, right? So to do that, we go to customize. So click on site identity. So here, this is the site icon. So we are going to change the site icon. So this is Urban Peace logo, right? We are going to click here, then go to click on site logo. So basically, site logo is this small icon. It's called fave icon. Now here you see this Jimmy, this small m here is the fave logo. Name chip, this n here is called fave icon or site logo. So site icon rather. So let's put our site icon here. I'm going to open the Urban Peace logo, and I'm going to drag it here. So you can either drag or click on select file. So I'm going to drag that in there. So let's wait while it uploads. So here, click on open. So this is the other method. So here, so the alternative text. So alternative text. So for SEO purpose, right, it's good to just put the alternative text. So alternative text is just a text that will be read for people that visually impaired people, since they cannot see what is written. Google will just read out the text for them. So when there's a logo, it will show you that, okay, it will read out Urban Peace logo. So it's very, very good for SEO sake, right? So I'm going to put something there, then click on select. Then I will skip cropping. So look at how it looks here. Nice, right? So here, so I'll skip cropping, and boom. So we've done that. So we are going to change our logo. So to change the logo, so click on publish. So mind you, for any change to effect on your WordPress, you have to click publish. If not, the changes will not effect, right? So now that we've done that, so let's go and preview the changes that we've done here. So before, so here, if you see Urban Peace, look at the changes here, it has affected, right? So let's go and change our logo. So to do that, to change the logo, right, so you just head back to settings, or you click on this small arrow here, this small edit tool. It's going to bring you same to where you are going to edit the logo, right? So here, this is the place here. So what we want is that, see site logo, just click on site logo, and here we are going to remove this. Then go to select logo. So the one that is already in our library, just click on it, right? And here, so bring this up, then so here, that's the logo, right? But you see, it's not really looking nice. So what we want to do is that I want to remove the background. So to remove background of any image, right, you go to remove the BG, because we want it to be transparent. Let me show you, let me publish it and open a new page and see how it looks. urbanpips.com. So to remove the logo, right, so here, come here, so you go to remove the bg.com, you just drag the image that you want to remove the logo. So we want to remove the background, right? So let's remove the background, just drop the image there and just wait while it does the magic. So here, network is kind of slow. So here, drag it here, yeah. So that's it. So let's see why it removes the background. So here, it has removed the background. So the background. So let's download the transparent logo. So here, so we are going to save that. So here, let's check urbanpips.com. Let me show you why I say, like, it's always good to use transparent logo, right? So here, so this is published. Let's see why it loads. So what we are going to do is, so here, so let's go and replace this logo with the one that we just removed the background now. So click on change logo, come here, then click on upload files. So come here and just drag this in. Good. Then click on select. So skip cropping. Then let's publish this. So you see, look at the logo, right? But because the logo, the text is black and that is also black, so let's change it to the previous. So you know when to use a logo without the background now, right? So here, this is up and click. So we see this our logo, then a home, services. So if you also want to change the format of the menu, if you want your services, because we want our services to appear before, if you want services to appear before contacts, you can go and rearrange the menu. So just tap on this here, or you go to appearance, then menu, So here so let's go back. So if we refresh this now, let's refresh this page and see the changes that we've made. So let's go to our home. So here, this is our home, right? So you see that this hasn't changed. So most likely what you do, if you do this hasn't changed, right? Just go to customize. Now two things may be responsible for that. Is either like the logo that was set for the desktop is different, so we haven't changed that yet, that's why it's reflecting there. Or you just go and clear your cache. When you clear your cache, it's going to the changes is going to be affected, right? Or another way to confirm is opening it in the new browser and you see all the changes that you've made. So go to header Peter. So here there's so look at transparent header. So here logo, so good. Let's check. Okay, then everything is alright. So to confirm, let's open another browser and type urbanpeace.com. the Urban Peace. Hit OK. So let's go customizing the home page. And so to customize the page, you simply click on edit with Elementor. You go to the page that you want to customize, then you click on edit with Elementor. For example, if you want to customize the home page, you go click on home page. It's already on the home page, right? Then you click on edit with Elementor. So here we are, guys. So to edit the elements on the page, right, we will simply click on the element and edit it. So but before we start editing, let me just walk you through the interface, right? So here, this place is the Elementor widgets section. So here consists a lot of widgets that are used in building your website using drag and drop. Like this here, we can add a section. Here. You can change the color of the text to whatever we want. And we can type this thing, anything you want. So basically that's that, right? So that's how you can, simply edit. So here you can add inner section, you can add a heading, you can add an image, you can add this. So let's quickly go and edit this, right? So here right click to delete, right? Then go there to delete. So let's go and edit this. So here you put your name here, so here, which is energy. So here helping you build inner resilience, helping you so here teaching you to build awesome websites. So here, if it's, let's check how it looks on the mobile. So let's click on mobile and see how it looks. So here, this is how it looks on your excuse me. This is how it looks on the mobile, right? So here we can add other things here. Using change to build awesome website. Using drag and drop. Page builder called Elementor. So here, right? So then we can also change this button, so we can link it to our contact. So to change the button, right? So let's go back to our desktop view. So to change the button, you just click on this work with us. Let's go to let's click on Lemon. So we'll leave it to about us. So here you just tap slash, then click tap about us, right? So this one takes you to the about page. So click on updates. So here you can change the color of the button. Just click on this tiny edit button and then you put it in your color. Then just go down here. Just click on style. The background type. Here, if you want to change the color, you can change it to whatever you want, right? So just play around with it. The more you play around with it, so we can let's go change the background color. So let's here. So for those people, if you are designing, right, one of the tools that I use to get professional pictures, it's I use Pixabay. So you go to pixabay.com. So there you can get free images from there, right? So you can get free images from there. So basically these images without plagiarism, like without copyright laws, you can get those kind of images from there. So here I'll just type professional here and hit enter. So but the thing is that you can, so let's use this. I like this, so let's save image. So we can just save we just download the image here. So so to change any, I just want to just walk you through, right? So to change this here, you just click to change the background here. You can change it to whatever you want. So maybe your media file when you upload the file, or you just click here and maybe you can change it to this one if you wish. You can change it to this one. That isn't looking good, but you can just play around with it, right? You can change it to whatever you want. So let's undo that. So to undo, you just click on history. So this the image edited, so just click on the next one button. So yeah, this was the one. So basically it was the same image, but it was flipped, right? So here you just play with that. So you can, you know, change this one, change the images. I told you how. So for example, I told you how to create images without the background, right? So if you want to put your company logo, you just go get the logo, go to remove.bg, and you put them here. So here topics of discussion, you can just change your mission statement. If they're not at it, you can here vision, strategy. You can just change all that, right? Just write whatever you want, you know, helping you learn how to learn easily. So helping you expand your business. Using bespoke digital marketing strategies. So you can just write your visions there, right? So basically that's that. So I've taught you how to edit content, you know, on the web page, right? So it's as easy as that, right? So if you have any question, you can go ahead to, you know, ask me, right? So you can also add your elements. So for example, if you don't like a section, right, you can delete a section. So for example, if you don't like this section, you can remove it. Just click there and remove. And if you want to add a section, you click on this plus here, add a section. So here you click and to add new section. So what format do you want? So maybe you want to format, so 2 columns. So just click here. So what you want here, maybe it text here and an image. So what you want, so here we go there and bring image. Click on image here, and then let's select our image. So let me put a picture of me, or you go to pixabay.com, right, and get a picture there. So I did download this right earlier, probably didn't get download. So you just sign up, and the sign up is totally free. Just sign up with your email or Google. So anyone that works for you, just do that. I always prefer signing up with Google, since I'm already signing with Google already. But whatever it is, just whatever works for you, just go with that. So here we have that here. So let's go back to our Elementor. So you can go upload. Let me use one of my images. So here just have this here, just drag it in.